Hello friends, we are here again with NCERT Chapter 15 Light Part 2 for Class 7. In the first video on this chapter, you have already seen how image is formed on a plane surface. Here we will see that an image can not only be formed on plane surfaces but also on a curved surface. Take an example of a shining steel spoon. When we see our face on the outer surface of the steel spoon, the image formed is bulging out and upright. Now, if we see our face on the inner side of the spoon, the image is erect and larger in size. If we increase the distance of the spoon from our face, the image becomes smaller in size and inverted, that is upside down. The curved, shining surface of the spoon acts as a mirror. The outer surface of the spoon that is bulging out is known as convex surface, and the inner curved surface is known as the concave surface. The most common example of a curved mirror is a spherical mirror. Spherical mirrors are of two types, concave and convex mirrors. If the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave, it is called a concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is convex, then it is called a convex mirror. You can see in a concave mirror, this is the reflecting surface and this is the polished surface. And in a convex mirror, this is the reflecting surface and this is the polished surface. You may wonder, why are concave and convex mirrors called spherical mirrors? They are called so because they are a part of a sphere. To understand this, take a rubber ball and cut a portion of it with a knife. The inner surface of the cut ball is called concave surface and the outer surface is called convex surface. Here we will see a simple activity to study the image formation in a concave mirror. We take a concave mirror and hold it facing the sun. Try to get the light reflected by the mirror on a sheet of paper. Adjust the distance of the paper until you get a sharp, bright spot on it. Can you see the bright spot? Hold the mirror and the sheet of paper steady for a few minutes. The paper starts burning. The bright spot is in fact the image of the sun. Since this image can be obtained on a screen, it is a real image. Do you remember the image formed by a plane mirror is a virtual image? It cannot be obtained on a screen. But the image formed by a concave mirror is a real image and it can be obtained on a screen. Here is another activity to study the image formation in a concave mirror. Take a concave mirror and mount it on a stand. Place a lighted candle in front of the mirror. Place a piece of white paper on a cardboard sheet on the other side of the candle. The candle acts as an object and the white paper would act as a screen. Adjust the white screen in such a way that the light of the candle falls on it after reflection. Now observe the type of image formed by changing the position of the mirror. It is noted that when the candle is kept very close to the mirror, we can see an enlarged, erect image of the candle in the mirror. We notice that an enlarged and erect image of the candle is formed on the mirror and not on the screen behind. Okay? We cannot obtain this image on the screen. The image is virtual since we cannot obtain it on a screen. Now when the candle is moved away from the mirror, the image disappears from the mirror and a magnified and an inverted image is formed on the adjusted screen. Can you see the image on the screen? This is a magnified image. The image starts diminishing in size as the candle is moved away from the mirror. See, the candle is moved away from the mirror. So we get the image is diminishing in size. This happens till we reach a point where the size of the image becomes equal to the size of the candle. If the candle is moved further away from the mirror, the image becomes smaller in size and is real and inverted. Here we are getting a real and inverted image because this image can be obtained on a screen. So we conclude that in a concave mirror, a virtual image is formed if the object is placed very near to the mirror, and a real image is formed if the distance between the mirror and the object is beyond the focus. Now we will see the image formation in a convex mirror. In a convex mirror, the image formed is virtual since it cannot be obtained on a screen like the plane mirror, and it is diminished in size. You can see the image of the candle is diminished. It is smaller in size. The shiny surface of a bell of a bicycle acts as a convex mirror and forms an erect and diminished image. Here we have shown a comparison of the image formed by a plane mirror, by a concave mirror, and by a convex mirror. In a plane mirror, a virtual image is formed, while in a concave mirror, a real image is formed except when the object is near the mirror, and in a convex mirror, a virtual image is formed. In a plane mirror, the image is always upright. In a concave mirror, the image is inverted when real and upright when virtual. In a convex mirror, it's always upright. The image formed in the plane mirror is of the same size as the object. In a concave mirror, the image is diminished for certain positions and enlarged for others. In a convex mirror, it is diminished. Uses of concave mirrors. It is used as a shaving mirror. It is used as a reflector in torches, lighthouses, and headlights of vehicles. Since it can focus the rays of the sun at a point, this property is used in the solar-powered gadgets. A dentist uses a concave mirror to obtain a magnified image of the teeth of the patient. In astronomical telescopes, it is used to view magnified images of heavenly bodies. Doctors use concave mirrors to examine eyes, ears, nose, and throat. Convex mirror is used as a side mirror in vehicles such as bus, car, and truck since it forms a smaller and virtual image. It can be used to see a much larger area, thus the drivers can see the traffic behind them. In shopping complexes and large shops, it is used to keep an eye on customers and shoplifters, if any. Thank you for watching the video. If it has helped you in any way, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. We will soon be back with the concluding part of the chapter. Thank you.